We're in one of the theater buildings at Northwestern. Basic Otis cab. I think this is an original install. It doesn't look like this modernized. Well, no, I don't know. 3 is locked. 2.
Second floor.
Bouncy ride. All right, whatever
Going
one.
down.
Yeah, I do think this was actually a mod. Well, I don't know. I really don't. Also, all the Northwestern scanners are purple instead of red when they're locked, which is kind of neat.
First floor.
First floor. There's your capacity. I think it's 3,000 pounds. Anyway, that's gonna be it. We'll watch it close, and that's all.